This tutorial today is going to show you how to manage your account on VogueFit.com, and today we will be covering how to reset your password and archive or delete your account. First, we'll cover how to reset your password. To log into VogueFit.com, enter your email and password into the fields below. If you don't remember your password, type your email and enter at least one character into the password field. You can guess your password or just type something like 12345. You do need to type something in the password field because it will not let you continue unless something is entered into the password field. After you have this, click Login. And then you will be brought to this page if your email or password is incorrect. To reset your password, you are going to click Forgot Password at the bottom of the page under the red Login button. On this page, enter the email address associated with your VogueFit.com account and click Get Link. This will send a password reset link to your email. Be sure to check both your inbox and spam folders. If you didn't get an email, please email us at admin@VogueFit.com for assistance. As you can see here, I jumped over to my email and got that reset password email, so I'm going to go ahead and click that reset password button. So it'll take me back to VogueFit.com to the password reset page, and I will enter a new password on this page. I'll then click the red Submit button, and then I will use my new password that I just created to log into VogueFit.com successfully. Next, we're going to be going over how to archive or delete your account. To do this, you're actually going to need to send us an email. So you are going to hop off of VogueFit.com and over to your email, which you can see I already have open on another tab. Please include your full name, email address, and reason for archiving or deleting your account in the email. Please also specify whether you want to delete or archive your account. Deleting your account is permanent, and all your records and data will be removed. If your account is archived, your records and data will be saved, but your account will still be inactive. And this here is just me drafting an example of an email that you could send to us. There's also a template on the PDF tutorial for managing your account, but of course you do not have to follow this exact template. And once you go ahead and hit send on that email to admin@VogueFit.com, you'll hear back from a staff member shortly on getting your account either deleted or archived.